What's up, everybody? So we're just gonna go over a few things this morning. Figured I'd go over some really basic stock stuff for people who, like me a little while ago, really didn't know too much about it. So that's better. All right. So really quickly, for people who don't own stocks or anything right now, what does owning a stock mean? Well, basically, you're going to be a part owner of the company. So that's pretty cool in itself. Because a lot of people, they just think maybe you just own like a portion, but you're actually an owner. You can actually vote on different things that come up, earnings, like decisions in the company. Even if, like, say you just own $5, you're actually an owner in the company, which is pretty cool. So basically, stock basics. Stocks fluctuate like day to day, Monday through Friday, unless it's a holiday. The stock market is open. Say you own a Ford stock, it could be $11 one day for one share. It could shoot up to 12. It could go down to 10. Over the course of a lot of years, typically stocks have a tendency to go up. Obviously they can go down, but in the long term, typically the stock market rises. Companies they do fail, so not every stock goes up, but if it's a good quality company over the course of a lot of years, it will go up. Another thing that a lot of people don't know is certain companies, they pay dividends. So a dividend is a distribution of a company's earnings to its shareholders as determined by the company's board of directors. Dividends are often distributed quarterly and may be paid out in cash or a form of reinvestment into the stock. So this is what's kind of cool. So when you invest into the stock market and stuff, basically, the stock can rise, but if you get paid dividends, it's kind of more a really powerful thing in itself. It's basically the company is paying you a portion of what they make. So let's say, for example, you own a stock and it pays out quarterly. There's some that pay monthly, which is kind of cool. It's like a paycheck. You get paid every month in your account. You can spend it. You can, if you build it up, you can buy a coffee with it. Obviously, it's a kind of a small amount if you're just starting, but that can grow, and you can also reinvest it. It's like compound interest is super powerful, thing. It could also pay quarterly. The cool thing is they have what's called drip investment. So what you can do is buy a stock, it pays you quarterly. You can have it automatically reinvest by another fractional share of that stock, or a full share depending on how much you own. And you can do this on autopilot. So it's really cool. Basically, buy a stock, get paid dividends. It's a win-win. Buy a good quality stock though, so that's kind of a basic, couple things. So every quarter they have stocks have earnings. It can fluctuate. There's also other things that I'll make future videos about, and there's things such as options. You can actually make money off the stock market without even owning shares. There's things such as the wheel strategy. You can sell options, which are basically like a contract that allows you to trade the potential of a stock. Let's look up the definition real quick, just so I don't butcher it. But it's so option trading It's an option is a contract giving the buyer the right, not the obligation, to buy in the case of a call or sell the underlying asset at a specific price or before a certain date. So like the cool thing about this is you can actually like do a bunch of things with this. You're basically playing with the ability to trade 100 shares of a stock and take the profits from that. And you can either do that in like safe ways like covered calls or cash secured puts, or you could do like a straight out option call, which is a little bit more dangerous, but the potential for earnings is like you get 1,000 extra money like really quickly, but the risk is like a lot higher. So there's like different strategies for like all of that. So if you're like new to investing and you just want to get started, I recommend just take $5 and buy a stock, watch it, see what it does. Pick one with a dividend, maybe like, you know, there's like, if you want like a real estate company, there's like O Realty. You get 25 cents per month, you know, if you buy one share. It's a little bit more to do that, but it's like you get a paycheck. Now you're getting paid 25 cents no matter what. The stock also could raise or whatever. Or you could buy like a cheaper one, like, you know, Ford is like, let's see what Ford's trading at today. So Ford is $12.16. $12.16 you could own one share of Ford today, which is, and then every 4 months, let's see what the dividend is. Every 4 months you get paid 15 cents, which doesn't seem like a lot, but imagine building that up with a bunch of different stocks, a bunch of different companies, having that trickle in. It's pretty cool stuff. And you can like have that go right back in, buy more Ford. You can like put that aside. The money could get interest. It's just super cool. Like if you're not investing, try it out, get started, and just see what it's like to watch your stocks. It's kind of exciting stuff, especially if you're just in the beginning. You don't have to get started with a lot. You just buy a couple stocks and just start, you know, put $1 in, put $3, $4 in. It's like skip a candy bar, right? And just get started, because like when I got started, I didn't know crap. Still learn every day, but you can start to like be like, you know, make a plan for like what your investing journey is, and then you can start to like see the possibility of financial freedom or ways to think about retirement, and it's all passive. Like when you get paid dividends, you're not doing anything. You're just owning the stock. So your money's making money. It's a vehicle for you. So this is a quick live, just to get the day started. The stock market's running right now. Yeah, let's get pumped about this. Let's get investing, and let's get excited. Like and subscribe for more videos, and yeah, let's get going. Have a great day, guys.